In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fields in Zoho Desk. Custom fields allow you to tailor your workspace to fit the specific needs of your team and can significantly enhance the way you manage your customer data. So, let's dive into this process step by step to make it as easy and straightforward as possible. First, head over to your Zoho Desk workspace. This is your central hub where all the magic happens. Once you're there, your next move is to navigate to the Setup section. This is typically found in your main navigation bar, often represented by a gear icon. Clicking on this will take you to the area where all configurations and customizations start. Now that you're in the Setup area, you'll want to look under the section labeled Customization. Here, you'll see an option for Layouts and Fields. This is where all the configuration for fields takes place, allowing you to manage and personalize the data fields that will be available in your modules. Upon entering the Layouts and Fields area, you should click on the same label, Layouts and Fields, to proceed further. At this point, you'll find an option titled Fields List within a sub-menu. Clicking on this will open up a new set of choices. At this stage, you'll need to select a module from the drop-down list at the top of the page. This drop-down lists all the available modules, and upon selection, you will see all the fields associated with it displayed in alphabetical order. Next, you'll want to click on Create or Edit Fields. It's crucial to make sure that you select the correct department and layout before you proceed with creating a new field, as this ensures everything aligns within your organizational structure. When you're in the right layout and department, go ahead and click on Add. This step is where the customization begins. Enter all necessary details such as the label, which is the name of your field, specify the length, and decide if this should be a mandatory field by marking it as required. You can also choose to show a tooltip, which offers guidance on what should be entered into this field. Once all the details are filled in, simply click on Add once more to confirm and implement this new field into your module. Finally, don't forget to click Save. This action ensures that all your changes are stored and that the new custom field is now part of your Zoho Desk environment. By following these steps, you'll have successfully added a custom field to Zoho Desk. This means you can now collect and organize data in a way that best suits your business needs, creating a more efficient workflow and better customer interactions. Remember, customizing Zoho Desk can greatly improve how your team operates, so explore the possibilities and adjust as needed.